Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to identify the missing part of a secant. Given tayo nung tangent and secant intersecting outside the circle. So para mas mabilis na lang natin matandaan yung formula, we have here tangent squared is equal to the external, eto yon, yung external part nung secant no, times yung whole, yung buo. So we have to add the inner part and the external part of the secant. Okay, so we have yung tangent squared. So yung tangent natin is 10 squared is equal to the external, which is 5, times the whole. So we have x yung inner niya, plus yung outer niya na 5. Okay, then solve. 10 squared is just 100 is equal to, distribute natin, 5 times x is 5x, plus 5 times 5 is 25. Okay? I-transpose natin yung 25, magiging minus na siya. So, 100 minus 25 is equal to 5x. What is now 100 minus 25? We have, that's right, 75 is equal to 5x. Okay? So, kailangan natin x lang. We divide both sides by 5. Okay? So, x is equal to 15. O, ganun lang siya kadali. Now, you try. What will be the value of x? Given ka ng external part of the secant, which is 4, and yung tangent no, which is 6. Don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!